Well, hello, Merlins and Sirlins. I'm the F-Bomb here, NicBroInc. Thump. And I've got me a big old package, dude. I have been trying to get one of these for like a year now. Good lord. The cats are all interested. They're like, what's going on? Even the fat. She's like, well, now she's not interested anymore. But yeah. Oh boy. I've been on every, like, wait list to get one of these things, and finally happened the week of the month of my birthday. All these restocks have been crazy. So let's see what comes in my PS5 boxing. Now the other issue is I don't know exactly when I'm gonna, like, I need to use this, but I know Sony has a thing about using only your, like, main console, and I'm still very much using my PS4 for, like, Assassin's Creed, and I want to finish Mass Effect before at least I move over, but I want the new Batman game, and since, you know, they decided to make it only next gen, I knew I needed this at some point. So, let's look. Woohoo! Yeah. Here we have. Get out of here, you bitch! Man, this is impossible. We have the PS5. Finally! It's taken me so damn long. I'm not keeping this box. I don't know why I'm trying to not destroy it, but where's the seam? Let's just do this. I'm going to flatten out the box when I throw it out. I will say, this is so much heavier. Oh no, it's not. I'm just taking it out awkward. Oh, there's a little... Oh shit, I almost dropped it already. With this, there's a little handle here. So here's the PS5 box. Beautiful. Look at that. Nice and white. PlayStation 5, 8K. It's got a little divot here. That's cool. Bottom's got a couple of codes. You can see I have gotten the version with the disc because it will be replacing my PS4 at some point. It says play like never before. Talks about some systems in it, the immersiveness, the stunning games. Apparently it only has 800 gigs in it, so it's almost a terabyte. On the top it's got the handle, and on the side it just says PlayStation 5. So, I thought I was done with my knife. Let's open it. I'm waiting all day for this. Got two little stickers. Ooh, that's cool. And I am going to do that. Now, I will be keeping this box because we are going to move out of this apartment eventually. So, from one outside box to the inside. Alright, the rest of this is just white with the PlayStation symbol on it. Don't mind my foot in the video. And then we have a little lip here. And this all just comes out of this. Okay, we have, what are these, manuals? Quick start guide, safety guide. I'm not new to PlayStation. We have a cable. It looks like a power cord. We have, yes, the PS5 remote. Ooh, this feels cool. You know, I thought I was going to hate the way this feels, but this doesn't feel that bad. Middle button this all feels pretty good. Yeah, you know, it smells good. This looked really weird when they first announced it, but honestly, it's not really much. It's pretty much the same size. as the old one. So that's cool. I thought this was going to be big and hunky. No, it's not. So this is all just... What's all in this top box? It's probably some wires. So we have... this is probably the charger for this. Looks like it. Charger for the... Excuse me, the remote. Oh! So this looks like an HDMI. Or an 8K HDMI. And then... What is this? This one's covered weird. I have no idea what in the world this is. Unless it's like a stand for the remote? This might be a stand for the actual PlayStation. That's interesting. Alright. And then in here, inside some like styrofoam. Ooh. It's like milk carton stuff, is the actual console. We're gonna do it like this. Let it dangle on my arm. So glad the cats have already taken the box. Look at that fat cat. Look at these two cats. Fight! Oh, she's hissing. What a dumb kitty. Okay. Console out. One piece. Second piece. It's pretty sturdy. Keeping all of this, because when we move, we don't need that. And here, it is. Whew, PS5, baby. Wow, this thing's big. So yeah, it's got like the awkward shape. I know everyone's like, ugh, this shape, but hey, it's pretty, ooh, it feels nice. It's got like a nice mat to it, almost. There's the disk drive. There's the plug for the remote. I'm not sure what this plug is. And then, oh, the power button's small. That's the power. And then on the back, we have a couple fans. We have two USBs, the internet, the HDMI, and the power cord. Wow, that one thing is the power cord. And then, so then, oh, this is the stand then, right? Can you two play nice? Huh? These two jerks. So, I didn't think I'd stand this upright. I have bad experiences standing consoles upright. We were playing, just for a quick story time, on the 360, and my brother was taking a nap, and I woke him up, and he kicked the Xbox over, and it fell with a disc in, and scratched the entire disc up. But I really don't have space to lie this down flat at the moment. So I might be putting this upright, and I don't know if this is how you do it or not. Interesting. So this thing swivels. Let's look at the guide. Maybe it's in the quick start guide. Ah! Interesting. So the quick start guide shows that stand either going in the middle or on the side and helping it be upright. That's crazy. And it says the part that has all the PlayStation symbols on it, which is back here. I didn't even see that. I don't know if you can see that. There are a ton of PlayStation symbols in there. I might have a hard time focusing on that. So it says this can hook in there, which I don't think I like that. Oh yeah. I don't think I like that. Or it says this can go in the middle. Oh, and there's a little screw port for it to go in the middle. This thing. Aha! But where's the screw? In the bottom. I am not smart. So that goes here. Oh, and this hooks in. This hooks back here. Okay, so we're doing like a whole freaking startup here, and then we'll just do this hand tight for now. That's here, and it could have swiveled before. I could have swiveled it around, but I'm gonna keep it here like that. There's nothing for the remote, and then this should, in theory, help it be a little sturdy, but I don't know about that. There's no way to screw it on the other side, so that's what I'm gonna do. Yeah, but cool. I'm probably gonna launch it, give it a quick test, and yeah. Woohoo! We're all good, baby. We got it. Woohoo!
A friend is a friend to the end of the end. That's forever and a day. Stay by your side, don't give me say goodbye. Come with me.